we use quite a lot. If you practice to create enough power of this kind of movement, you need to go into the training, onto the power training to create enough power. A lot of this is body movement, posture, so you can able to get in and do all the movement you need. Let me show you here so you know what to do. The idea when you attack, control, okay? This is important, control. Now, sometimes when you're working with this kind of movement and you're thinking like somebody not punch and stay the hand, if the punch move the hand back, you already follow, and then you control, and then you're attacking already. So it's all about learning the basic to make sure you move. Because sometimes when you're working, you got to understanding the posture, the movement first. It progress movement. Okay, so layer. Each time you do, you lay something on top to make your movement a little bit more better. So when you're working on this hand, you can here to the job. If you haven't got a hand, that will be done the job for you. Okay, that will come back. That will done the job. But because on this training, we put the hand on here to create some resistance. So for you to turn, and then for you to come back to attack. When you hammer fist, like when you practice already, cross the jaw like this or direct onto the face. So if I come back and he face this way, I will go directly on his jaw, on his face. Boom, like that on his face here, okay? A lot of time when you hammer fist, it's a lot more stronger, it's more movement there, not much bone, so you don't get broken fist. If you punch, you get broken fist, especially in the self-defense side. You punch, you broken fist. It's very difficult for you to take out the phone to recall or to call for help or go into get a key for the car. So hammer fist, use a lot. Punch, mainly on the body. Let's go slowly again. So one, elbow, and then come back. Body, yeah, come back. Okay, like that. Body come back like that. This size. So hand, elbow, hammer, straight away like this, see? Boom, like that, on the face, okay? So this size, hand, elbow, and then come back. Another thing important, like I mentioned already onto the line, is the elbow got to go right in to create enough power, okay? So soon you come down there, you come back, see? Boom, like that, across the face like this, okay? So when the hand coming in, boom here, cross, bam, like that, on the face. So the line, like that. Okay, so the hand of it, the hand, like that on the face. So the movement, cross, on the face. So the movement of it, line, and then boom on the face. So the first idea is got to be fast, grab hold of it, and then come back straight away. If you're here, that'll be fine. Cross the face. If you chop like this, onto the forehead, that'll be fine. Any face, that'll be fine, okay? So the line of it, it's got to make sure the line, cross, and whole body come back like this to be able to attack them. Okay, think of that. That's the basic idea of using the hammer fist. Hammer fist, you're attacking anywhere into the body, into the face area. That is no bone. So it's difficult for you to get broken fist. Okay, this is very important. You don't understanding this, then when the time comes, when you punch direct at the face, your fist broken, it's very difficult for you to use your phone or your key or anything you need to use. Spend some time to practice. I will see you on the next video.